Amulyam phalam. Amulyam is precious. Phalam means fruit. Amulyam phalam is precious fruit. Ganesha Kumarau Shiva Parvatyoho Putrau. Putrau means two sons. Ganesha and Kumara are the two sons of Shiva and Parvati. Of Shiva and Parvati is Shiva Parvatyoho. Te sarve kailase vasanti. Te sarve, they all, vasanti, reside, kailase, in Kailasa. Ganeshaha agrajaha asti. The elder brother. Agrajaha means elder brother. Ganesha is the elder brother. Asti is. Kumaraha anujaha asti. Kumara or Subramanya Swami is. The word for is asti. Is the younger brother. Anujaha. Tau Shivaparvatyoho Ativa Priyau. Tau, both of them are extremely dear. Ativa Priyau means Ativa is extremely, Priyau is dear to Shiva and Parvati. Shiva Parvatyoho Ativa Priyau. Ekada, once Maharshihi Naradaha Kailasam Agatavan. Ekada, once Maharshi Naradaha Kailasam Agatavan. Agatavan came Kailasam, to Kailasam. Tasya haste ekam phalam asit. In his hand, tasya haste, his is tasya, haste is in the hand, ekam phalam asit. Asit, there was ekam phalam, a fruit. So tasya haste ekam phalam asit, there was a fruit in his hand. Saha jagataha mata pitarau anamat. Saha here means he here refers to Narada. So Narada anamat. Anamat means he performed namaskara to Mata Pitarau, to the parents of the cosmos. Of the cosmos is Jagataha. So Jagataha Mata Pitarau anamat. Shivaha tam ashirvadam dattva. And in turn, what did Shiva do? Shiva, tam here again refers to Narada. So Naradam. So Shiva Ashirvadam Dattva, having blessed. Ashirvadam is blessing. So Dattva is having or giving or having given his blessings to Narada. Mandahasam Kritva. So Mandahasam is a smile. So having smiled at Narada, Naradam aprachat. Aprachat means asked. Naradam aprachat, asked Narada. Hey Tata Narada. So Tata is a term that is used to indicate affection. So it can be interpreted as, hey dear Narada, kim etat phalam. What is this fruit? Kim is what? Etat phalam. Etat phalam is this fruit. So what is this fruit? Naradaha pratyavadat. Narada replied, Swami etat phalam ativa amulyam ativa madurancha. So Narada replied saying, Swami etat phalam, this fruit is extremely precious. Ativa is extremely, amulyam is precious, and ativa maduram is extremely, maduram is sweet. Cha refers to and. A and D. So that is referred to, that is cha. Aham etat phalam Ganeshaya Kumaraya cha datum ichchami. Aham, I, datum ichchami, I wish to give. Wish is ichchami, I wish. Aham ichchami, I wish. Datum, to give. Etat phalam, this fruit. To who? To Ganeshaya Kumaraya, to Ganesha and to Kumara. Parantu ekam phalam eva asti. Parantu, but ekam phalam eva asti. Eva is only, there is only one fruit. Ekam phalam eva asti. Kim karaniyam? Kim is what? Karaniyam means should be done. So what should be done? Iti. Iti is thus. Thus. So thus thought Narada, or thus said Narada. Tada Shivaha Ganesham Kumarancha Ahutavan. Tada, then Shiva Ahutavan, called Ganesha and Kumara. Tau Tayoho Mata Pitroho Samipe Agatya Anamatam. So Tau, they both, what did they do? Tayoho Mata Pitroho Samipe Agatya Anamatam. They performed Namaskara, and before that, what did they do? They came near their parents. Mata Pitroho, Tayoho Mata Pitroho Samipe. That is, they came near to their parents. Their Tayoho Mata Pitroho, their parents, Samipe near, Agatya, they having come. So having come close to their parents, once they were called, they came close to their parents, they came near their parents, and then they performed namaskara to their parents. Shivaha Pritya Avadat. Shiva, with great love, Pritya, with love, Avadat. He said, Mama Putrau, my children. So here there are two children, hence we have the dual here. Mama Putrau, Etasya Jagataha Pradakshinam Kurutam. You perform the pradakshinam. Pradakshinam means the circumambulation. So of this cosmos, etasya, this jagataha pradakshinam. So you perform the circumambulation of this cosmos. Etasya jagataha pradakshinam kurutam. Yaha pradakshinam kritva prathamam atra agacchati tasmai etat phalam dhasyami. Yaha, he who pradakshinam kritva, having performed the pradakshanam, prathamam atra agacchati. Agacchati means comes. Prathamam comes first. Atra is here. To him. Tasmai is to him. Etat phalam dasyami. Dasyami is I will give. I will give what? Etat phalam. So yaha pradakshinam kritva prathamam atra agacchati. Tasmai etat phalam dasyami. So I will give this fruit to him who performs his pradakshanam and comes here first. That's what Shiva told. Then Sadhyaha Kumaraha Tasya Mayuram Aruhya Pradakshinartham Vegena Gatavan. Sadhyaha, immediately, Kumaraha Tasya Mayuram Aruhya. Aruhya is having climbed. So Kumara's vehicle is the peacock. So Mayuram refers to the peacock. Tasya Mayuram, his peacock. So having climbed his peacock, Pradakshinartham. Pradakshinartham means for the sake of the Pradakshanam, for the purpose of performing the pradakshanam, Vegena Gatavan. He went, Gatavan went, Vegena, swiftly, immediately, swiftly, he went for the sake of performing the pradakshanam, for performing the circumambulation of the entire cosmos. Parantu Ganeshaha Sthulakayaha. Parantu, but Ganesha is Sthulakayaha. Sthulakayaha means he has a heavy body. तस्य वाहनः मूषकः अपि मन्दं चलति. तस्य वाहनः, his vehicle, मूषकः is the mouse, and api means also. So his vehicle also mandam chalati, goes very slowly. Chalati is moves or goes. Mandam is slowly. So it goes very slowly. Ataha saha chintitavan. Ataha is therefore, saha, he here refers to Ganesha, chintitavan, thought, he thought. Sarvam jagat mama mata pitroho asti. So he thought very intelligently, what did he think? He thought, Sarvam jagat, the entire cosmos, mama mata pitroho asti, is within my parents. Mama mata pitroho asti is within my parents. Tasmat. Tasmat means therefore. Ataha, tasmat and ataha are similar. So tasmat aham mama mata pitroho pradakshinam karishyami iti. So therefore aham, I, mama mata pitroho pradakshinam karishyami. Karishyami, I will do. What will I do? Pradakshinam, the circumambulation. I will do the circumambulation of my mama, of my Mata Pitroho, of my parents. So Mama Mata Pitroho Pradakshinam Karishyami iti. Thus thought Ganesha. Ganeshaha Mata Pitroho Pradakshinam Akarot. Ganesha performed the Pradakshinam, the circumambulation of parents. Mata Pitroho means of Mata and Pita. So of his parents. Then tasya mata pitarau ativa santushtau abhavatam. tasya mata pitarau ativa santushtau abhavatam. So his mata pitarau, his parents, ativa santushtau, were very happy. Became, abhavata means became, ativa santushta, became very happy. Tau Ganeshaya Ashirvadam Kritva, they, having blessed Ashirvadam Kritva, Ashirvadam, we saw earlier, Ashirvadam Kritva, having blessed Ganesha, Ganeshaya Ashirvadam Kritva, Phalam api ayacchatam. They also gave the, api means also, Phalam ayacchatam. They also gave the fruit to Ganesha. Ganeshaya ayacchatam. Ganesha api santoshena phalam svikritavan. Ganesha also santoshena phalam svikritavan. With lot of joy, santoshena, with joy, phalam, fruit, svikritavan. He accepted it. Accepted the fruit from his parents. Takshane. Takshane means at that very instant. Kumaraha pradakshinam samapya. Kumara, having finished is samapya, having finished what? Pradakshinam, the circumambulation. Tatra, there, agatavan, came. He came there at that very instant, finishing his circumambulation. Saha Ganeshaya akrudhyat. So he was naturally very angry towards Ganesha. He became very angry towards Ganesha. So Ganeshaya akrudhyat. He was angered. So angered akrudhyat towards Ganesha. So Ganeshaya akrudhyat. Then Ganeshaha shokena kumaraya phalam ayachat. So Ganesha shokena, with sadness, kumaraya phalam ayachat. Kumaraya ayachat. So he gave, ayachat means gave, to whom? To Kumara. What did he give? Phalam. So he gave the fruit to Kumara with a lot of sadness. Tada Kumaraha chintitavan. Tada is then. Kumara chintitavan, thought. Mama agrajaha ativa buddhiman. My elder brother. Mama is my, agrajaha is elder brother. Ativa is extremely, buddhiman is very intelligent. My elder brother is extremely intelligent. Mata pitroho eva sarvam jagat asti. Mata pitroho eva sarvam jagat asti means Mata pitroho, within mother and father, sarvam jagat asti, the entire world is present. So the entire world is present, only is indicated by eva. So eva, only, so within the parents only, the entire cosmos is present. Here parents refers to the divine parents who are Lord Shiva and Divine Mother Parvati. Tasmat etat phalam Ganeshaya punaha dasyami iti. Tasmat, therefore, etat phalam, this fruit, aham dasyami. Dasyami means I will give. Again, punaha is again, to who? To Ganesha. So Ganeshaya. So to Ganesha, I will give this fruit again to Ganesha. Iti. Thus, Kumara thought within himself. Kumaraha Ganeshaya phalam punaha ayachat. So Kumara punaha ayachat. So again he gave, ayachat is gave, punaha again, phalam, the fruit, to Ganesha. Ganeshaya phalam punaha ayachat. Ganeshaha Kumaraha cha santushtau abhavatam. Ganesha and Kumara santushtau abhavatam, became, abhavatam means became, santushtau, happy. Shivaha Parvati Naradaha cha santushtaha abhavan. Shiva, Parvati, Narada also, cha and Narada. So Shiva, Parvati and Narada also santushtaha abhavan. Abhavan became, santushtaha, very happy. So let us read the story once again. Amulyam phalam. Ganesha Kumarau Shivaparvatyoho putrau. Te sarve kailase vasanti. Ganeshaha agrajaha asti. Kumaraha anujaha asti. Tau Shivaparvatyoho ativa priyau. Ekada maharshihi naradaha kailasam agatavan. तस्य हस्ते एकं फलम् आसीत्. सः जगतः मातापितरौ पितरौ अनमत्। शिवः तम् आशीर्वादं दत्त्वा मन्दहासं कृत्वा नारदम् अपृच्छत्, हे तात नारद, किम् एतत् फलम्? नारदः प्रत्यवदत्, स्वामी, एतत् फलम् अतीव अमूल्यम्, अतीव मधुरं च। अहम् एतत् फलं गणेशाय कुमाराय च दातुम् इच्छामि, परन्तु एकं फलमेव अस्ति, किं करणीयम् इति। तदा शिवः गणेशं कुमारं च आहूतवान्। तौ तयोः मातापित्रोः समीपे आगत्य अनमताम्। शिवः प्रीत्या अवदत्, मम पुत्रौ, एतस्य जगतः प्रदक्षिणं कुरुताम्। यः प्रदक्षिणं कृत्वा प्रथमम् अत्र आगच्छति तस्मै एतत् फलं दास्यामि। सद्यः कुमारः तस्य मयूरम् आरुह्य प्रदक्षिणार्थं वेगेन गतवान्, परन्तु गणेशः स्थूलकायः, तस्य वाहनः मूषकः अपि मन्दं चलति। अतः सः चिन्तितवान्, सर्वं जगत् मम पित्रोः अस्ति, तस्मात् अहं मम मातापित्रोः प्रदक्षिणं करिष्यामि इति। गणेशः मातापित्रोः प्रदक्षिणम् अकरोत्। तस्य मातापितरौ अतीव सन्तुष्टौ अभवताम्। तौ गणेशाय आशीर्वादं कृत्वा फलम् अपि अयच्छताम्। गणेशः अपि सन्तोषेण फलं स्वीकृतवान्। तत्क्षणे कुमारः प्रदक्षिणं समाप्य तत्र आगतवान्। सः गणेशाय अक्रुध्यत्। गणेशः शोकेन कुमाराय फलम् अयच्छत्। तदा कुमारः चिन्तितवान्, मम अग्रजः अतीव बुद्धिमान्, मातापित्रोः एव सर्वं जगत् अस्ति, तस्मात् एतत् फलं गणेशाय पुनः दास्यामि इति। कुमारः गणेशाय फलं पुनः अयच्छत्। गणेशः कुमारः च सन्तुष्टौ अभवताम्। शिवः पार्वती नारदः च सन्तुष्टाः अभवन्।